wildlife and humans living together in cities of wild Great Britain. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating intersections between wildlife and human life. Today, we're delving into the unique relationship between wildlife and humans living together in the bustling cities of Great Britain. From urban foxes to peregrine falcons, discover how these animals are not just surviving, but thriving in our urban landscapes. Cities across Great Britain are bustling with more than just human activity. Urban wildlife has adapted in fascinating ways to coexist with city life, turning our towns into surprising wildlife hubs. One of the most iconic examples is the urban fox. These resourceful animals have become a common sight, expertly scavenging for food, navigating busy streets, and even setting up dens in our backyards. But foxes aren't the only wild creatures thriving in our cities. Peregrine falcons, known for their incredible speed, have found an urban haven by nesting on tall buildings. From these heights, they hunt pigeons and other birds that flourish in the urban environment, making the cityscape their hunting ground. The diversity of urban wildlife doesn't stop there. Hedgehogs, once common in the countryside, are increasingly seeking refuge in city gardens, where they forage for food and find shelter. Bats, too, have made the city their home, roosting in attics and feeding on insects attracted by streetlights. Even deer have been spotted in some urban parks, adapting to the green spaces that break up the concrete jungle. These animals show incredible adaptability, turning our cities into unexpected wildlife sanctuaries. As we go about our daily lives, it's worth taking a moment to appreciate the wild neighbors sharing our urban spaces, each playing a unique role in the ecosystem of Great Britain cities. As urban wildlife thrives, a delicate balance emerges between coexistence and conflict. While many people enjoy the presence of wild animals in their cities, challenges can arise. Foxes rummaging through bins or pigeons nesting in inconvenient spots often lead to tension between humans and their wild neighbors. However, not all interactions are problematic, and many communities are finding creative ways to live in harmony with urban wildlife. Simple actions can make a big difference. Securing bins properly, for instance, can prevent foxes from making a mess, while installing pigeon deterrents can help keep buildings free from unwanted nests. Beyond these practical measures, there's a growing movement to create wildlife-friendly spaces within cities. Community gardens, for example, not only provide green spaces for people, but also habitats for hedgehogs, birds, and insects. Bird feeders and bat boxes are becoming common sights in backyards, offering food and shelter to these creatures while allowing people to enjoy the beauty of wildlife up close. By taking small, thoughtful steps, we can reduce conflicts and foster a peaceful coexistence with the animals that share our urban spaces. As cities continue to grow, it's increasingly important to find ways for humans and wildlife to live side by side, ensuring that our urban environments remain vibrant and diverse ecosystems. The presence of wildlife in our cities brings challenges, but it also offers numerous benefits. Interacting with nature, even in urban settings, has been shown to improve mental well-being and reduce stress. A fox spotted in your garden or birds nesting nearby can create a meaningful connection to the natural world, bringing a sense of peace and wonder to our daily lives. Beyond personal enjoyment, urban wildlife plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems within our cities. Birds and bats, for example, help control insect populations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. This natural pest control not only benefits humans, but also supports the balance of the ecosystem. Similarly, the plants and trees that flourish in urban areas, often supported by wildlife, contribute to cleaner air, reduced noise pollution, and more pleasant living environments. The biodiversity found in cities is a strong indicator of a thriving ecosystem. A variety of species living together promotes resilience and sustainability, making our urban environments healthier and more vibrant. By embracing and supporting urban wildlife, we're not just preserving nature. We're enhancing the quality of life for everyone who shares these spaces. You might be wondering how you can contribute to maintaining the delicate balance between humans and wildlife in urban areas. The good news is that small changes at home can make a significant impact. For instance, consider planting native species in your garden. These plants attract local birds, insects, and other wildlife, providing food and shelter while enhancing biodiversity right in your backyard. Another simple yet effective action is to create a hedgehog highway. By leaving small gaps in your garden fence, you can help hedgehogs and other small animals move freely between gardens, increasing their chances of survival. This small gesture can have a big impact on urban wildlife, helping them thrive in the spaces we share. Beyond your garden, you can support local conservation efforts that aim to protect urban wildlife. Participating in citizen science projects is another fantastic way to contribute. Whether it's monitoring bird populations, recording sightings of urban mammals, or helping with local cleanup efforts, these activities provide valuable data that helps scientists and conservationists understand and protect urban ecosystems. By taking these steps, you can play a part in ensuring that cities across Great Britain remain vibrant habitats for both people and wildlife. Together, we can foster a future where humans and animals live side by side in harmony, making our urban environments healthier and more sustainable for everyone. As we continue to build and expand our cities, it's crucial to remember that we share these spaces with incredible wildlife. By working together, we can create urban environments where both humans and animals thrive. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the wild world around us. Subscribe for more wildlife stories.